Nothing. What are you doing?
Nothing. Just dropped in for a little lunch.
There's food here?
Lego wing.
Oh, no, wait. Not me. I'm a penguin.
Exactly. The Flipper Boys, that's you, eat the fish.
Yeah.
The Flying Boys, that's me, eat the Flipper Boy and the fish. And lately, there ain't a lot of fish. So,
This time I'm getting the juicy juice. Hey, I'm trying to think about lunch.
Hey! What's this?
yeah, that's weird, all right. Listen, for once, we're going to do this civilized. Now, get in line.
Hey, what's that on your leg?
What, this little thing?
No, don't start him on that.
Shut up. The little Flipper Boy asked me a perceptive question. A question like that, there's always an answer.
Here we go.
I got 2 words for you. Alien abduction.
Oh, yeah,
Quiet! Now, little buddy, there is something out there. Creatures. Not like us. Bigger, fiercer, and smarter, too. Ask me how I know.
How?
Because I've been captured by them, that's how.
Unbelievable.
What do you mean unbelievable? It's true. I'm sitting on a rock minding my own business when suddenly they're onto me. These beings, like big ugly penguins, fat flabby faces with front-ways eyes, no feathers, no beaks, and these appendages. They probe me, they tie me up, they strap me down, they take this pointy thing and they stick it into me. And then, blackout.
Gosh.
I woke up and there's this thing on me. Every flying bird is dissing me. Hey, what's happening, yellow leg? It was humiliating.
And then what?
It was humiliating. What more do you want?
They could have eaten you.
Yeah. I guess my pitiful cries for mercy appealed to their better nature.
Can I appeal to your better nature?